The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northern Wapello County in southeastern Iowa, southeastern Alaska County in south-central Iowa, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Ottumwa Industrial Airport, or 8 miles west of Ottumwa, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ottumwa and Ottumwa Industrial Airport around 6:50 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Alaska, and Wapello.